Warning: if you struggle with insomnia, this may feel familiar. It's 3 a.m., the world is asleep, but you're not. Your mind won't slow down, thoughts keep racing, and sleep feels out of reach. You close your eyes, but nothing changes. Exhaustion builds, night after night, but then there's a way to reset your sleep. Ambien 10 milligrams. You take it, and slowly, your body begins to relax. Your thoughts become quieter. Your breathing slows. The tension fades away, and for the first time in a long time, you fall into deep, natural sleep. Peaceful, restorative, uninterrupted. The night is no longer a struggle, but a time to recover. And in the morning, you wake up feeling different. Refreshed, clear-minded, full of energy. Your days feel lighter. Your focus returns. Your life becomes more balanced. Healthy sleep is back, and with it, your strength, your energy, your well-being. Because when you sleep well, you truly live better.